Red birds is a general term that can refer to a number of different species of birds that are predominantly red in color. Some of the most common red birds include cardinals, scarlet tanagers, vermilion flycatchers, and red-winged blackbirds. Cardinals are perhaps the most well-known red birds. The males are bright red all over, with a crest on their heads, while the females are a more subdued brownish-red color. They are found in the eastern United States and are a popular sight at bird feeders. Scarlet tanagers are a stunning species of bird with bright red bodies and black wings. They are found in the forests of eastern North America during the summer months and migrate to South America for the winter. Vermilion flycatchers are small, brightly colored birds that are found in parts of North and South America. They have bright red bodies and wings, with contrasting black and white markings on their heads and tails. Red-winged blackbirds are a common sight in wetland areas throughout North America. The males have black feathers with distinctive red and yellow patches on their wings, while the females are a more subdued brown color. Overall, red birds are known for their striking colors and are a popular subject for birdwatchers and photographers.